Hi guys, welcome to HardReset.Info. Today I have Samsung Galaxy F15 and I want to show you how to set mobile data limits on this device. In the first step we must navigate to the settings option where we choose first connections and their data usage. Now we tap on our binding size and data warming and there we can set our mobile data limits. First step, start binding size on the first day of each month, and in this day our binding size start. We can set it. There we can by the switch easily turn on turn off data warming, and we can set it in custom number in megabytes and gigabytes what you prefer, and after we set to confirm all we press set. The same story with data limits. We must turn on by the switch and we can set it. That's all. Thanks for watching. Bye.